Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna give you some update about current situation in Ontario, Canada. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. Guys, so the situation is looking stable to me. The case numbers are fluctuating, like I won't give you the details because I don't want to make this video boring. But if I talk about positivity rate, it is hovering around 1, with lowest it has gone to 0.6 and it has also reached 1.3 a few days back. Just yesterday it was 1. And unfortunately what's going on is the daily vaccine dosages number has come down. This is because most of the people have been vaccinated, and overall more than 80%, around 80% people, eligible people have already got their first dose. Now the problem here is remaining 20% are showing some hesitancy, and every day their numbers, those who are getting their first shot, their number is not significant enough. Most of the people, those who are getting the dosages, are taking as part of their second dose. So people are getting fully inoculated, and that number has also, if I'm not wrong, crossed 65% for eligible population. When it comes to things, almost everything is open. People are outside. Many people, like, it is looking somewhat better. I won't say it's normal like it used to be before pre-pandemic, but it is looking better than what we had seen a few months back. All shops are open. People are going out doing shopping, and it's a summertime. People are enjoying. A lot of people are even traveling. Many people have gone for vacations, I know, and things are improving. But right now it is gonna be a very interesting fact, because one of the medical experts had said, like, we should get around 90% of the vaccination in order to stop this Delta variant from breaking havoc down the line. Because when you have 6 million population in whole Canada unvaccinated, those who are really eligible to, this is something concerning. I won't go into the details, like whether somebody should get or not, but many people, many medical experts are saying that this could be like a pandemic of unvaccinated people. So hopefully people get it, and we reach the targets and things do come under control. But as of now it is too early to say. Now this was lifted, if I'm not forgetting the date, around 14th or 15th, I guess 14th or 15th of July. So almost 2 weeks have passed. So once we cover 21 days somewhere in August, it will be really interesting to see whether the remaining measures are relaxed, especially when it comes to masking. Because if you see other provinces like Alberta, they have already made masks non-mandatory. Like, they have removed most of the restrictions except a few. So their life is looking much more normal than all of us. Of course, no doubt. I know some people in Alberta and they are like very happy. But yes, the population of Alberta is different, and it is less than what we have in Ontario. So as I said, like, jobs are now bouncing back. People are getting back to work, but still we got to do more in order to protect everything. Hopefully with vaccination going in full swing, because now vaccines are available widely across pharmacies also. So you don't need to go to a mass vaccination site. You can even call your local pharmacy, find out if they have the dose for you, go ahead and get it. It's really easy, and everyone, whoever is eligible, is getting it very easily, provided you really want to get it. So down the line, the number that we have, 66%, is going to reach 80%, because people are going to get their second dose. But how this 80 is going to move ahead, that is going to be really interesting. I'm hoping that we should hear some statement in coming few days from our government about remaining health restrictions. What I anticipate, like, at this moment they may not remove these restrictions, rather than they hold it for some time, although the cases are looking a bit stable and with some spike and down. So let's see how things go. I'll keep you guys updated with whatever is happening over here. Thanks for watching, guys.